Whatever Madhu sir has taught us, we have altogether different angle to look at any production or to storytelling, whatever content or whatever you have idea in your mind, and to explain to somebody how to go with different angles. We got it last 3-4 days, so I'm trying to do that. Basically my target audience, or you can say for whom I am giving this idea, is primary school going children who are curious to know the things around them and how it is made or something like that. So, and I will be liking to use the format called as docudrama or something dramatic, something documentary in between that, and I'm trying to create the interest in that. So the story will begin like there is a village where the typical village house is there, and summer vacation or some vacations are going on. So many guests are arrived there, and to locate the exact location, the bus will come and show that which village it is. So that way we can establish the beginning, that there is so many children are there, they are playing and all. And since my topic is that how the thread is made, how the strong thread is made from the soft cotton. That is the main theme of my story. So for that one, I will try to show that children playing around will be using skipping rope. One is playing with the kite, one is playing with the top, so that most of the forms of threads will be around. So that in every frame somehow the other way thread is used. And then some girls are plucking the flowers around the garden, and one girl is making the garland of that. And the thread which she is using, it is for the sewing, not the garland thread. So that's why after some time, when she tries to cut that, she gets wound on her hand with the same thread. She starts crying. That is 5-6 years old girl it is. She is. And when she starts crying, everybody leave their jobs and come around her. Everybody gathers there. Mother comes running, and all brothers, sisters, all will come around her. And then somebody says, go and bring the cotton. So cotton she brings and apply medicine and all. Then she says she's angry again because the wound it's paining her. So she says, cotton is so smooth, but see, this thread is cut. It has cut my hair, and she throws it away. Then the uncle laughs at her. He says, don't say like that. This thread is also made up of this cotton. And then the story starts. And then slowly the interest, I don't know how to transit it. I want your help to exactly to go. That this is the beginning, but then the total process I want to show, like from the fields of the cotton plants, then plucking of the cotton, then dried, and then cleaning, and the roll making, and by pulling the string or making it spinning around, and then it becomes the strong thread like. Then multiple threads, if you spin around, thin thread strands, then it becomes stronger. Like that it is processed. And then again different forms of ropes, as we talked about that rope, and different soft threads also, which easily we can cut around. So like that different forms of threads are also there. So that is the way the story will go. And at the end again, all the children will be playing like, after the story ends, cotton plant, flower plucking, collection of that, and with the combs, means that process is called as combing, when they clean the cotton and make small threads, and then altogether they will make. And then the roll will pull it is called as silvered. When the soft cotton is together, they made the form. And then thin thread is made of that. And the end, we can say all children are playing, throwing small pieces of cotton in air in the sky. And again it zooms out to the sky, and it ends at the kite, which again with the strong thread which comes in the hand of the rishi. That's it.
Fantastic.